Disclaimer. The videos are purely for educational purposes. The intention is to guide the students to fare well in their term examinations of their professional courses. I will not be contacting any of the subscribers or followers with messages regarding private tutoring or any money transactions. If anybody does message you, please report them and block them immediately. Professor K.M channel will not be responsible for the actions by the imposters with the same name.
Welcome to my channel. I am Professor K.M. Mahadevappa, faculty for MBA in Indira Gandhi National Open University for the last 30 years. Today, I have taken one of the specialization subjects in human resource management, which is important in third semester of new MBA course. The course code is MMPH 001, Organizational Theory and Design. I have selected one of the assignments questions and corresponding answer is given to that question. Here, I just want to inform the students that you have ample time to write the answers to the assignment, and here there is no any curtailment about the words you need to write for a particular question, but you could write beyond 700 to 800, even 900 also, which can fetch you more marks in your assignment as against the end-term examination, where you will be required to write within 3 hours 5 questions, such that 35 minutes is at your disposal for answering your question in the term examination. And by experience, it is found that a student can write 20 words per minute, and in 35 minutes, it will come to a maximum of 700 words. Taking that as a benchmark, I have compiled about 770 words as answer to the question here in the assignment, so that you can repeatedly keep going through the answer and try to memorize that. You will be able to have around 600 to 700 words that can be represented in the examination, written in the examination, so that you will get distinctive marks in the term examination. With this, I am going to the answer. What is an organization? Briefly discuss the meaning and characteristics of an organization and describe organization as a system. Organizing is a subject of the larger activity of managing. It is the process by which the structure of an organization is created and maintained. The process includes the determination of the specific activities necessary to accomplish objectives, the grouping of activities and assigning these to specified positions and persons, the creation of a network of positions and persons for purposes of planning, motivation, communication, coordination, and control. Characteristics of organization. According to Chester I. Bernard, an organization is a system of consciously coordinated activities or forces of 2 or more persons. Max Weber, in his ideal type, defined the following features and dimensions as basic for all organizations, distinguishing them from other social collectiveness. The organization has transparent and definite boundaries. It signifies a social unit which is either closed or limits the admission of outsiders. It has a collective identity of its own. Some of the characteristics of organization are studied as follows. Number one, division of work. Organization deals with the whole task of business. The total work of the enterprise is divided into activities and functions. Organization helps in dividing the work into related activities so that they are assigned to different individuals. Number two is coordination. Coordination of various activities is as essential as their division. It helps in integrating and harmonizing various activities. Unless all of them are properly coordinated, the performance of all segments is adversely affected. Number three is common objectives. All organizational structure is a means towards the achievement of enterprise goals. The organizational structure should build around common and clear-cut objectives. Number four, cooperative relationship. An organization creates cooperative relationship among various members of the group. The relationship should be both vertical and horizontal among members of various departments. Number five is well-defined authority, responsibility, and relationships. An organization consists of various positions arranged in a hierarchy with well-defined authority and responsibility. The hierarchy of positions defines the lines of communication and pattern of relationships. Number six, the organization has a central coordination system. There is one locus of final authority which makes and imposes building collective decisions. Leaders at the center manage the concentrated efforts of the organization, making it a unitary hierarchical actor. Number seven, the organization is differentiated internally. Internal organizational roles are sharply differentiated and codified in rationally established formal rules. Decisions are implemented by a disciplined, specialized, continuously and rationally operating staff. Number eight, the organization is legitimate. The organizational order, including the distribution of authority, power, and responsibilities, is legitimate. That is, discipline is based on a belief that actors holding certain positions have the authority to impose orders and rules, and others have a duty to obey. Number nine, the organization's characteristics establish what is achieved. There is a high degree of steadiness between organizational goals, structures, processes, behavior, and outcomes. The quality of achievements depends directly on organizational structures and processes. Number 10 is the organization is flexible. Organizations are rationally designed tools and are deliberately structured and restructured in order to improve their problem-solving capacity and their ability to realize predetermined goals. Point 11 is the organization is a part of societal transformation. While reorganizations are seen as rationally designed instruments, their growth, increased importance, and acceptance in society also reflect a changing societal context, that is, the sweeping transformation from traditional to modern society with its strong faith in and maintain rationality in current and social context. Now, to define it as a system, organization as a system is a set of integrated and mutually dependent parts arranged in a manner that produces a unified whole. It has been defined as an arrangement of interrelated parts. The words arrangement and interrelated describes the interdependent elements forming an entity that is the system. Thus, when taking a systems approach, one begins by identifying the individual parts and then seeks to understand the nature of their collective interaction. An organization as a system is designed to have certain qualities like a system must be designed to accomplish an objective or a set of objectives. A system is composed of interrelated parts called subsystems. The subsystem must have an established arrangement. Interrelationships must exist among the individual elements of a system, and these interrelationships must be synergistic in nature. The basic ingredients, that is, the flow of information, energy, and materials of a process, are more vital than the basic elements of a system. Organizational objectives are more important than the objectives of a system. This completes the answer for this question, and I wish you all the best and thank you. It has got 770 words so that you can repeatedly read through and memorize over a period of time so that you could fare well in your term and examination. All the best. Thank you.